No good. What's up, YouTube? It's hay season. We're living the dream, one nightmare at a time. Actually, the other day it was 2 nightmares. As a matter of fact, my tractor had the cutter on it, and I was running a little bit fast. Belt started slipping. I caught it on fire on the inside of the belt box, and I had to take a puddle of water, stab it with a pencil, and spray it in there while it was running to put it out. And I'm wondering, why isn't Waylon coming over here? Is it because of the smoke? Because it's quite a bit of smoke, but it wasn't too bad. And yeah, he blew 2 gearboxes out of his cutter at the exact same time as I was on fire. And we baled my place yesterday just to make sure everything was going to work, because my place is small and the bearings in here have apparently gone out. Whenever we turn it on, it starts jumping and bouncing. So we're gonna go see if we can fix it so we can get back to baling hay. It is far too cold in here. I think most of you guys would agree that the air conditioning in a Deere is like the best as far as a tractor. I've been in lots of other tractors and they kind of blow on you, but this was on 1. Like if I put it on whatever, 4 or whatever, you can't even hardly talk over that. It's way too cold for, you know, 6:45 in the morning. So let's go to Louis and fix this. Made it. So many layers. I'll have a picture. An old photograph. Sure, this won't be too bad. Does Sean have these in stock?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Well,
That's on there.
It's a bad sign already.
No, it ain't. That's a long one. This one here is short. Let's see.
Don't smack me for asking, but you did take a picture, you're right.
Yeah, I did. I think I just took a picture. It's a good question,
Yeah.
didn't
I just want to make sure.
I? Yeah, I just took a picture. But I'm
Okay.
taking another one, but I can see the picture right there under the picture. Okay. It's simply not going to fit. Thinking I can just loosen these up enough to swing it out of the way. There we go. Hopefully that's enough. Let's see.
What the heck is that thing?
It's GoPro.
Oh, what?
These bearings are fine. This one's got just a little bit of wear on it. Yeah,
Whoop.
that's,
Go again.
I think you're good.
That'd be all right. Respect.
I think they go inside somewhere.
Okay, well we'll look it over. Are you gonna come home around lunchtime, or are you gonna stay down there at the shop?
It just depends on if I get this done. I'm waiting for it to cool down on the drill hole.
Alright, well I realize we're pulling in the John Deere now, so I'll holler back at you. Bye.
See ya.
There it is. Oh, nice. Well, it'll probably just be some jacking it up and down. That sounds terrible. Look at that. Look. It's the wrong size.
No, it's not.
Yeah, no, I'm kidding. But we do need to,
Beat it in there.
well, go over there and crank it up just a little bit. I think is what we're gonna have to do. Maybe. Yeah. Oh, hold on. I think I'm gonna get it. Crank down just a smidge.
Just a smidge. Okay.
Just a smidge.
How many win?
Alright, whoa. I don't know if that fixed it or not. I don't know that. Actually, that might be in the cup. I'm not sure. It's close.
Oh, it's real close.
Mm-hmm.
They got everything I did.
Yeah, they all went on the outside.
Mm-hmm. Ram, what's this piece right here? Is that just part of the...
That's the inner race of the bearing.
Okay.
As would have been the inside of that. And the two of them were stacked on top of each other. That's why it was flopping like it was a cam. Oh. This does seem just a smidge ridiculous. Alright. That should be money penny right there.
Seeming better already, ain't it?
Seeming better. That's better. Baler's fixed. Now I got a flat. It's not our year.
Yeah, that's it. Well, now I've got several of those around now.
Where's the plug at? This man's gonna try. Well, YouTube, I got a flat on this tire. I have tried to fix it. See if we can find it. It's huge. I stuffed right there, if you can see that. I stuffed 3 plugs in it. It's not gonna work. As soon as I pulled in the field, I knew I was on a flat, and nobody's open Saturday or Sunday for fixing tires. So this is it. This is the end of my first round of hay season. Unless we go cut, there's another big place that we might be going to cut. If we go to cut it, then we'll have that. But yeah, I got a flat. I mean, it's holding there right now because that's in it, but it's gonna blow out for sure. Yeah, I'm gonna pull this tire off. I'll try and get you guys some drone footage, because we got a friend, Tyler. He's coming over here with his tractor. He's gonna hook onto the rake. I've obviously disconnected from it. He's gonna hook onto that, and yeah, they're gonna rake and bale. I hear Waylon coming. He's got the impact in his tractor, so I'll need that to get this wheel off. But there's nothing I can do. I tried. I called a few places. One place is open on Saturday. They said they won't do anything with sidewalls, and I'm like, it's a tractor, but it's kind of a corporate deal, so whatever. Yeah, thanks for watching, everybody, and God bless. Check you later. Man, it's been a tough year.
Tough year.
I hope I got the right size wrench in here. Oh, there we go. I've never had to pull a wheel off before.
You know, you're gonna like it with the impact too. That impact's getting a workout, ain't it?
Yeah. Oh, we've been using it all day too. I hope the battery holds out. Well, that's really not that bad.
Nah, not bad at all.
I thought it was going to be 1,000,000 pounds.
There you go.
Either that or you lifted it off. Easy, we'll have another hole in it. Would you look at that? 3 of them old nubbins in there. They may tell me this tire's shot. I may have to buy another. I'll figure it out.